afternoon, welcome. This is Waec here, 2020 English Objective Past question. Question number 5. The instruction here says that we should look out for the word that is most nearly opposite in meaning to the underlined word. And this question is coming from what we call word or formation of words. Formation of English words. Formation of English words. And under this we have what we call antonyms. So that is where this topic is coming from. And the instruction said that we should look out for the opposite of this underlying word. And the underlying word is here is fetid. And the sentence says that why the refuse dump smelled fetid, the orchard exuded a dash smell. So fetid here means unpleasant smell. That is fetid, or bad smell. So what would not be the opposite of bad smell? Option A, we have fragrant. Fragrant has to do with aroma, pleasant smelling. Then spice, option B is known as spice. Spice could mean hot or hot spices, or colorful, or stimulating, or something that is stimulating. Then we'll talk of clean. Clean means not dirty. Yes, and it is synonymous to not dirty. And then it is the opposite. The opposite of clean is dirty. So, and dry, option D means dry, that is lack of moisture or unproductive. So by this analysis we find out that the option that can actually replace or be in antagonism to the underlined word, which is fetid, is fragrant, because it means a pleasant smelling, or aroma, because fetid means bad odor or bad smell. So option A is correct. Thank you and God bless you, and share and subscribe for more videos.